Hi guys, and welcome back to another baking vlog.
Hey guys, yeah, right.
What am I making?
What are you making?
Cookies.
She's making cookies.
But I'm going to make not just chocolate chip, I'm going to do Smarty ones and chocolate orange ones. And I've also doubled the amount again, so the amount I read out is not the amount you'll see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dum dum dum.
And I want to say a huge thank you to Baz because he always nips out to get stuff I'm missing. So
I'll just get a headache otherwise.
yeah. So let's get baking. So for the cookies, you're going to need 150 grams of salted butter, 80 grams of brown sugar, soft brown sugar, but as you can see, the only one we could get was dark sugar. So hey, 80 grams of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 225 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and 200 grams of chocolate chips. So I've also got the orange extract again, so I'm going to do some orange cookies as well as chocolate chip ones and Smarty ones, so that's why I've got double the amount here. So when you do get your vanilla extract, make sure you get vanilla extract and not flavouring, because vanilla extract is extracted from the plant, whereas the flavouring is just a chemical flavouring, if you will. So extract is always the better one to get. So there is all the ingredients. So, oh, I'll tell you what else I've got before I go. I've got my baking trays ready, but I'm also going to use a cutter for the cookies rather than just dollop it on, because if we use the cutter they'll all be hopefully the same size, and we should get quite a few out of this mix I'm going to make. So yeah, so let's get going. So I've got everything ready, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put both of the sugars into the mixer, and I'm going to mix it with the butter till it's like a nice paste. So the sugar, the butter, all mixed together. Once they're mixed together, I'm then going to add the vanilla and the eggs. So cross your fingers, this all works. You're going to want to preheat your oven at 190 before you start mixing this, just so it's up to temperature for when the dough's ready. So what we're going to do now is we're going to sift the flour, the bicarb of soda in, and the salt. We're going to sift it all into this and then mix it together. Okay, so now that's your dough, I tell you what, you're going to get some mussels mixing that flour in. So that's all mixed. So I'm going to half the mixture. So I'm going to use some for chocolate chips and some for Smarties. I'm not sure if I'll be able to use the orange flavouring, so I'll put the vanilla in now, but I'll have a look in a bit. So yes, I'm going to half this, whack some chocolate chips in some, Smarties in the other. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put it onto a board and cut them out with the cutter. So the first batch are out of the oven. When you're baking cookies, you need to make sure they're still soft in the middle when you take them out. You can usually tell by the edges how well done they are. These are a bit more done than what I like. Well, that's the first batch. So now we're going with this batch, and it's time to add the chocolate chips. And I didn't end up using the cookie cutter because it's just too gooey, which is a good thing. So I'm going to mix all these in, and then maybe add a bit of the orange at the end for a couple, just to see how it mixes. So far, so good. Here are the cookies. I have got 3 more of those just cooling on the other side. So these ones were just spooned out and placed on the tray. These ones are rounded with my fingers like that. You know what I mean. And these came out better than just dolloping them on the tray. So I would recommend, obviously, clean hands, just rounding the edges of the cookies because you don't want to mess with food too much. Don't believe in that. So yeah, so these ones are chocolate orange, Smarties normal, but as you can see these ones are not as good as these. So what I'm actually going to do with probably the chocolate orange ones, I'm actually going to drizzle a bit of chocolate over the top just for an added touch. So this is the little setup. We've got the cookies here, and I've put the cooling wire on a tray. This, I haven't washed this yet, this has just come straight out the oven. So I thought I'm not going to wash it because I'm going to drizzle the chocolate over here so it'll drip onto the tray and not onto the side, so it'll be easier for me to clean up. So I'm going to melt some chocolate now. So as I've said in previous baking vlogs, when you're cooking your chocolate, or when you're melting your chocolate I should say, don't melt it till it's like that. You've got to melt it while there's some pieces that are still quite hard, because like this bowl's still hot, and the heat from the chocolate and the bowl will melt it slowly, so it will not burn your chocolate. Whereas if you either microwave it or put it over a bowl of hot water, you know, in the cooker, it could burn quite easily. So always take it off the cooker or out the microwave while it's still got some pieces in. Okay? Okay. So here are the finished products. These are cooling. This is chocolate for the bottom of the cookie. If I turn it over, you can see. Just got chocolate on my finger. So I'm waiting for that to cool, but until the chocolate cools, guess who's here?
Hello.
The tester.
Test tester.
Taste tester. Go for it.
Grabbing a biscuit. Grabbing that one. Lovely.
That's a
and
Smarty
moist.
one.
Is it Smarty one?
They're quite good then because they're pretty thick.
Yeah. Thick Smarty cookie. That's some good cookie.
Is it nice and soft?
Yeah, it's lovely and soft and crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle. Armadillos! Yeah, it's lovely, is that?
Is that good?
Yeah, yeah. 10
So
out
we
of
had
10.
to swap the sugar as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So there's your cookies, so why not give them a go? Thank you for watching this baking vlog, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe and take care of each other, and we shall see you all in the next vlog. See you later. Bye.